I can be in and out today, that will be the game. That will be the best thing. I mean, I don't really care for the momentum today. I don't really care for the downside right now or the upside. I mean, I guess that's a sign I should probably go short, right? If I don't want to go long at all. So that's probably a good sign right there. We are at support level. I do have a buy set up. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, with us dropping like we just did overnight before the session, I could see why we would have some bounce plays. We're still just kind of hanging out. This is a huge bar right here off the open. I might have to get in long right here. 75 is my line in the sand if I do decide to get in long. Looks like it's getting sold off now. Build. All right, let's see if we can get this quick 10. 75 is my line in the sand. Now, with us dropping like we did, like I said, there's a good chance we do bounce, but I don't really know outside of that. I really don't. We have a Fed speech at 9:45 that I'm not probably not gonna take serious because it's not Jerome Powell. So my mind's telling me, hey, go for the five, go for the five, but it's like I don't know if I want to go for the five or the 10. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know. Someone's telling me go for the 10 because we might just get a bounce, but I don't know. I mean, if we can't make a new high above this, I mean, I don't know at this point. I'm gonna just stick to what I know. Go for the 10, 75, my line is saying. I can imagine some shorts being squeezed out right about now. All right. Build. All right, first trade of the day, up 200. Not bad. Not bad. Don't want to be too aggressive though. Like I said, don't want to be too aggressive. Show you guys what I'm looking at. This 15 minute. We have broken above this high right here. Individual candles tell a story. Highs and lows tell a story. So we're breaking above this high. I don't know if we're going to close above that or not, but we are squeezing some shorts out at the open. This move right here, we are squeezing some shorts out. So we could get another move down. We could get a move up. We don't know. But overall, we're still bullish. We're in the range, but we're still bullish. We had a bearish move to the downside, and we might be squeezing shorts out at the open. So I think if we can break above 725, might be a pretty bullish day. If we can break above these levels right here, I think we're back in the game as far as the upside goes. I think we're back in the game. Let's see if we can break above 715. I say 715 because 715 is the price of this lower channel right here on the 1 hour chart. Let's see if we can break above that. So right now we're just at the point to where, okay, do we hold these lows? Do we break higher? Like, what are we doing? It's important to wait when you're trading. It's very important to wait. I learned that the hard way. Never be committed to either side of the market. Never. Always look for reasons to not take a trade. I'm not saying be hesitant, but just don't be don't have tunnel vision. Have your bias, but understand the weaknesses of your bias. Oh yeah, by the way, guys. So after yesterday's session, I got an email from Apex, two emails. So I'm not gonna disclose it because it's non-disclosure. Basically, I got two accounts passed yesterday. Didn't even realize it. The 50K, I thought the 50K target was 5 grand. Turns out it was 3,000. So I had passed two accounts yesterday, not even realizing what I had did. So that was a pretty cool surprise. Yeah, two 50Ks right there, 6 and 7. So that's cool. I'm trying out the 50Ks and the 150Ks because I don't know which one I like. I don't know if the 50K is better, the 150K is better. I know the 150K comes with more drawdown, but the 50K is quicker to pass. It's quicker to, but it's also quicker to lose. So I'm just kind of testing which one is better as far as how much drawdown room I need. Like I said, the 50K is easier to pass with a smaller price target, so that's one thing it has going for it. But how much do I need that extra drawdown from the 150? And that's why I have 150Ks and 50Ks at the same time. Eventually, I'll probably switch to one. I do like the 150Ks because you got a little more room initially, but I think they're both pretty cool. I probably have a mix. I mean, it's really just the amount of drawdown and cushion you want. That's really all it is. But I'm trading both accounts slow and steady, so all the other time frames are exhausted. So if you check out the 15 minute, look at the 15 minute, stochastics cross to the downside. 5 minutes, stochastics crossing to the upside. 3 minute, stochastics crossing to the upside. Exhaustion is very important. A lot of people don't know how to use RSIs and stochastics. That's their fault. It's not that they don't work, it's that you don't know how to read it. You don't understand what exhaustion represents in price action. And it takes a while to understand that. I get it. I think we head back towards the lows and test the lows. I think we shake all the longs out with the liquidity grab to the downside, and then we bounce back, consolidate, and break out to the upside. Here we go. Very vulnerable right now. The lows. Bulls are very vulnerable right now. A good old spike to the downside is exactly what I'd be expecting right now. Maybe a bounce for another 10. Do I see a potential setup? Probably finna get another setup. Probably finna get in. 79 being my line in the sand.
Held. Order submitted.
79 being my line in the sand. It can still break down, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop
Submitted.
right here. Yeah, put my stop right here. Actually, like 77 is my line in the sand. Yep, about 77. All right. Are we gonna get bought up for another 10, or are we gonna sell off? What are we gonna do? Let's see what we're gonna do. I'm only looking for a short-term bounce. I'm not looking for a trend change or nothing big. I'm just looking for a mechanic and price action that can give me 10 points. I'm not looking for anything else. We can still break down from here. I'm fully prepared to get out if we start breaking down below these levels. This is that moment in time where it's like, okay, do I take profits? Do I not take profits? What do I do? But I'm gonna go ahead and stay in. Don't like being a dick for a tick, but all right.
Filled.
2 trades, 2 wins. I'm done for the day.
Cancel.
I don't really care for this. I'm not saying the market's too ugly today, but we're definitely consolidating. You know, we have different structures on different time frames. We are breaking out. Looks like I said, if we get above that 715, 720 level, we're gonna break out. Looks like we're doing just that. $400. Great day, great day, great day. Don't really want to be too aggressive right now. I just don't. So 23 minutes into the session, just like yesterday. Now, when it comes to scalping, the way I scalp, literally the first 2 hours of the market are your best chances of getting a great position. After that first 2 hours, things start to slow down, volume starts to taper off. It's not a good time to be doing this type of trading after a couple hours. It's just not. When things slow down, that's when things go bad. Liquidity is your friend when you're scalping. That's why I stick to Nasdaq. If I wasn't trading Nasdaq, I'd be trading gold. If I wasn't trading gold, I'd be trading oil. You know, it'd be one of those three. But it would be a pretty liquid instrument that I'm trading. I'm not trading anything illiquid at all. Good day. This is why I trade in and out of the market, freeze my whole day up. You know, like I said, at one point I used to be at the computer for 6 hours. You know, one trade still going on, still waiting for that one trade a day, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I prefer to scalp like this. I took the same setups, I took the same theory, the same hypothesis, and I scalped the setups. I literally just said, okay, I'm just gonna scalp the setups. Why do I need 70 points when I can just catch 10 points, 5 points? That's literally what I did. I said, okay, I'm gonna take these 70-point trades I'm looking for. I'm just gonna take 10. Like, I can only imagine the amount of trades that I've taken where I was up 10 points and didn't even think like, oh man, I'm up 10 points. Like, that's damn near every trade I take. I can get 10 points off of every trade. Like, that's that's a pretty simple accomplishment in the market. 10 points. I'm not saying it's easy. I'm not saying, it's super easy, but I'm like, 10 points to an experienced trader, man, it's not that hard to get with a few adjustments. I would like to see what it does, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and call the stream. Good day, good day. Hope everybody's having a good trading day so far. If you're not having a good trading day, I hope you're learning something. That's the only way we can get better is learn. Our losing days, those are the best days. Our losing days. My losing days taught me the most I've ever learned in the market. They made me open my eyes up and see what I wasn't seeing. And I had a whole lot of losing days for 6 years, 7 years. So I understand what it's like. I'm done, guys. Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope everybody made a little money today. If you didn't make money, I hope you learned something today. This is MonTheTrader. I'm grateful to be able to do what I do. I'm blessed. Thank you to everyone who's going to be tuning in the future. Thank you to everyone who tunes in now. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. And I'll catch you guys again. Like, comment, subscribe. See me in the next stream.